Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Vivo Y21 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong password. Here you can see wrong password. Here you can see wrong password. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Turn on the screen and press the volume up and power button together. Now slide to power off your smartphone. Now it is successfully powered off. Now again press the volume up and power button together, and when the Vivo logo appears, after 2 to 3 seconds release it, and you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G fastboot mode. You can see reboot and recovery, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So here you can see it will send you in Vivo 5G recovery mode. As you can see now, you are in Vivo 5G recovery mode. You can see now here, as you can see, install software, clear data, check system, enter safe mode, and on bottom power off and restart is available. Simply tap on clear data. So here you can see clear cache and clear all data. Tap on clear all data. So here you can see, as you can see, clear all data on this device will be cleared, including important data such as contacts, photos and SMS messages, and data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Now tap on OK. So you can see clearing data. Do not use the device during clearing data. Kindly wait, it might take some time. So you can see all data cleared. Now tap on return. After it, go back, and you can see on bottom tap on restart. As you can see, restart your device, tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset Vivo Y21 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.